Hello everyone! What you're about to learn in this video has been reviewed and approved by expert mechanics in the shop, so relax, this can be fixed. If your Honda is showing the check charging system message, don't panic and don't think the car is going to shut off suddenly. Basically, your car is saying, hey, something's not right with the battery or the way I'm charging. This could be anything from the battery, the alternator, the voltage regulator, a sensor, or even the cables that connect everything. The first thing these shop mechanics always recommend is checking the battery and the alternator. With a simple voltmeter, you can see if the battery is charging correctly, around 12.6 volts with the engine off and close to 14 volts with the engine running. Many problems are solved just by noticing that the battery was old or the alternator wasn't providing enough voltage under load. If the battery and alternator look fine, the next step is to check the connections and sensors. Yes, those cables and terminals we sometimes ignore. Dirt, corrosion, or a loose terminal can confuse the computer and make the message appear even if everything else is fine. Cleaning and tightening terminals or checking the current sensor on the negative terminal has solved the problem for many owners. Now, if all of this fails and the message keeps appearing, the alternator might have an internal fault or the voltage regulator could be sending strange signals. Some Hondas will show the warning even when quick voltage tests look fine, but under real load, like turning on the air conditioning or lights, the drop becomes noticeable. Replacing the alternator or its regulator is usually the definitive solution. And yes, in some cases, the problem could be with the car's computer, which misinterprets sensor information. Many mechanics have managed to make the warning disappear temporarily with a simple car reset, or by disconnecting the battery for a few minutes, but this is only a temporary patch, not a permanent fix.